What's up, Pre-Ice Gang? Hey, y'all, welcome back to the vlog, y'all. Welcome back to the vlog. Y'all, listen. Today, I got a good video for y'all today, y'all. Today, we're going to try the top 3 high-rated food trucks here in Cape Coral. That's right, we're gonna go try these food trucks today, y'all. It's gonna be epic. I cannot wait. I really want to see what these food taste like. I really don't go to a lot of food trucks, but I'm going today. So hey y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, and share this video. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's go. Help your boy get to 10K, y'all. I know I'm almost at 5K, but let me get to 10K. Y'all already know what it is. Let's go do this. Let's go. All right, y'all, so we have got to the first food truck, and I thought they were sold out. Listen, I was like, please don't be sold out. It's over here, and listen, these people, you don't know when they're gonna come. When they come, you got to get here, because they will sell out so fast. So this is called the egg roll truck, and they already got a line out here. So this truck right here is rated 4.9 stars. 4.9. So we're finna see what the hype is about. 4.9 stars, and we're finna see we gonna see what the hype is about. So I'll see y'all when we get up there. All right, y'all. So we made it up here. So I made it up here. And bro, that line is still way back there. You got so many people. And this is the menu. So stay tuned. I'm gonna get my food and I'll show y'all what it is, and then we'll be on to the next food truck. So see y'all in a little bit. All right, y'all. So I done ordering. I got their world famous strawberry lemonade right here. So we're gonna see what this is like. Now I'm just waiting on get the food. Just waiting for the food right now. So like I said, we're gonna see what it's like. We'll see what it's like. Hopefully this is good. But it is hot out here, man. But I'll see y'all when I get back to the car. All right, y'all, here we go. I got the food right here, y'all, right here. Let me go ahead and open this up for you. So this is food truck number 1. Oh, look at that. I can't see it. I'm gonna hold it back here. Y'all, look at that. So what I got is a cheeseburger, egg roll, and Philly cheesesteak. And they do got their sauces with it and all that stuff. And as y'all can see, I almost finished my strawberry lemonade. So we're finna go ahead and try this. Yeah. All right, hold on. Woo. Look at that. Oh, y'all, look at that. Ooh. All right, hold on. Open up that sauce. Dip. Oh yeah. Yeah, good. And food juice are good. Like I said, this food truck is rated 5 stars. The lemonade busting. This is good. I mean, it's rated 4.9 stars. 4.9. It's good. It's really good. The people love it, bro. The line just kept getting longer. I think I waited for about 45 minutes to an hour. I paid $25 for the egg rolls and the strawberry lemonade. All right. The Philly cheesesteak good. That's the cheeseburger. Yo, look at that. That's the cheeseburger one right here. All right. Oh, it's two different sauces. Okay. Hold on. It's two different sauces. Okay, because I got one for the Philly cheesesteak and one for the burger. All right, this one for the burger right here. Mm-hmm. 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 It's hot. You know what? It's worth, yeah. The 4.9 stars it got, they deserve it. They deserve it for real. The service was good. The customer service was excellent. You know, yeah, I waited 45 minutes for an hour, but it's worth it. All right. I will give this I'll give this an 8 out of 10. It's very worth it. Eight out of 10. That is the famous egg roll truck. It be everywhere. Today it was in Cape Coral. All right. 8 out of 10. Let's head to the next food truck. All right, y'all. So apparently, the Don't Give Up food truck is not here, and they was rated top 5. So I guess they only come certain days. So they not here. There's another truck called Grace's Taste of Poland, but they're not top rated. They 3 out of 5. We only hitting top rated food trucks today. So scratch that one. On to our last food truck. All right, y'all, here we go. The last food truck of this, I don't know, we want to call it food review, vlog, something like that. It's called Mobile Wings. That's the food truck right here. It's called Mobile Wings. It's sitting at this gas station, so we're gonna see what these wings taste like. We're gonna see what they taste like for real. Let's go. All right, y'all, so I was wrong. This is not a fried chicken truck. This is actually, I don't know, I guess they're not doing fried chicken today. Literally say mobile chicken, but this right here, they're serving tacos today. Mexican tacos. So I went on ahead and got me some tacos, and I got me some mango juice. You know, you gotta get the mango juice. So we're finna see what these tacos taste like. Listen, I done had some really good tacos, and they say this place is, they say this place is a 5-star. Literally 5 stars. So we're gonna see what it is. I paid $15 for 4 tacos and mango, $3 a taco. It's expensive, but we're gonna see what it tastes like. Real Mexican tacos, why not? All right, y'all. I have hit my last restaurant, the third restaurant, 5-star restaurant called hold on. So this restaurant was called, I actually looked at the restaurant name when I was there. So this restaurant is called El Gran Taco Loco. It's right there on Pine Liner Road. It's at a gas station right outside. The food truck's right at the gas station. And I thought it was a chicken truck because it got a chicken logo. Like, it's called Mobile Chicken. The truck's called Mobile Chicken. But I went up there and I like, hey, you sell, can I get a chicken sandwich? She was like, no. We only, got, tacos and stuff. I'm like, all right, bro. I ain't mad at you. I ain't mad at you at all. I eat me some tacos right now. I did want some beer tacos, but they didn't have none. It's all right, though. It's all right. All right. Y'all, I love going to Spanish restaurants and restaurants in general that give you a big cup, man. This is full of mango juice, y'all. Probably mango nectar or something like that. It's full of it. Oh my gosh. Listen, you cannot go wrong with that. All right. So these are my tacos right here. Hold on a little. Ah! Oh my gosh. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh, y'all. Listen. Stop playing with me, dog. Stop playing with me, G. Oh, please don't open. And then I got my salsa verde right there. Oh, y'all ain't know I knew Spanish, huh? Y'all like, dang, I might know Spanish. I know Spanish. Hold on. I gotta fix this lighting, y'all. Hold on. All right. That should be good right there. I think this white plate just took everything. All right, right there. Ooh, that thing look good. All right, so okay, I like cucumber, but we ain't here for the cucumber today. Gotta get your lime, and you gotta put that lime juice on them tacos. Listen, if you ain't put the lime juice on your tacos, you're doing it wrong, my boy. All right. And I don't give a crap. Oh. Woo! That's spicy! Woo! All right. Well, that's spicy, dog. All right. Here we go. I got 4 tacos, y'all. I got 4. So I put my lime juice on. I put my salsa verde on. Well, I think they give you... Okay, yeah, they give you two corn tortillas. Listen, if you are eating tacos with flour tortillas, do not say you eating Mexican tacos. Because real tacos are not cooked with flour tortillas. It is corn tortillas. All right, here we go. Here we go. Dang, this freaking... Hold on, y'all. Dang. All right, here we go. Here we go right here. Ready? And 3, 2, 1. Go ahead and bite that thing, dog. Bite that thing, dog. Oh my God. Bro. I love Oh my God. Oh my God. That's good. That's damn good. Now I see why they 5 stars. They 5 stars for a reason. Good sauteed onions. You got the cilantro and your peppers and your onion. I got steak too. I ain't want beef, I ain't want chicken. I got steak. Bro, it's so much flavor. It is so much flavor. Listen, y'all gotta hit this place up. El Taco, El. Dang it! I'll put in the video. Y'all see what it is. I done lost my train of thought. Try this out. These are the top 3. Well, top 2 food trucks in Cape Coral. The one I was finna go to was not open. I couldn't find it. Don't know where it was, so I missed out. Then I was finna go to another one on Matlacha. Couldn't find it. I tried to call. No answer. So hey. Mainly they may be open Monday through Friday. I don't know. But y'all, thank y'all so much for watching this vlog or review. Oh, hold on. I am gonna try the mango juice here. Oh. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh, mango juice, boy. If you don't like mango juice or you're allergic to mangoes, I'm so sorry. Oh, you have no clue what you're missing? Well, if you're allergic to it, then I know what you're missing. I feel you. But if you just don't like mangoes because you don't like mangoes, you need to eat your mango. Or drink you some mango juice. Oh, that's so good. But all right, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching this video and me hanging out with me today, going to eat this good food. I really appreciate it, y'all. I will see y'all on the next one. If y'all want to see another video like this again, make sure y'all comment below and let me know if y'all want to see these type of videos. And then I'll get to them. Thank y'all so much. I really appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good day. Peace.